Fire breathing is when you actually only breathe in and out with your nose so that you generate heat with your body. So take your hand, just put it over your mouth. Okay, and then what you're going to do is breathe in with your nose, breathe out with your nose. Like that, okay? Now, when you do it quicker, it's going to go like this slow, and then it's going to go faster. And eventually, your stomach muscles, your body will take over. So it starts like this. And eventually your body gets into a rhythm, a pattern, and like all of a sudden it's energizes you. So let's try that. Ready? Breathe in. Awesome. Oh, I forgot to tell you, make sure you blow your nose before you